Hi everyone, myself Jayashree, Senior Audiologist, Hears Up. Why it is important to get your hearing test done for every 6 months? Too many people assume that hearing tests are for people who have hearing problem. But regular hearing examination will allow you to know your hearing health. If there is any deviation observed, it will help you to take necessary precautions to prevent further damage. Every 6 months hearing test allows you to track changes in your hearing and allows you to take treatment accordingly. For more details and free consultation, download our Hears Up application from App Store and Play Store.